Hello friends, welcome back to our another Faction Learning series video. In my last video, I already shown you how to set up your multi-invoice series. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to set up new payment terms. Okay, so currently you are seeing this payment terms dashboard of this setting option, right? So here you can see this list of payment terms, right? So come here and you see here two options for new payment and export. Okay, so export you can download this term, and for new payment we are going to create a new terms. Okay, so before starting, I will show you from where we get this option in our this portal. Okay, so see, when you are creating your new organization, right? So here you can see the option of payment terms, right? So basically from here you can choose your payment term for that particular organization. Here is not the option to add a new payment term. Here is only you can choose your existing or your created any of payment terms, right? And suppose if you are not created your payment terms in any of the organization, let me show you invoicing. Okay, so here you can see you get this option of payment term, right? So suppose you are selecting this company, and here you get this payment term. By default you can't change your payment term from here. Okay, whatever when you are creating your company or your new organization, that time whatever payment term you selected, it was shown here by defaultly. It was shown, okay, it was fixed. So suppose let me show you another. See, for this company, you did not set any payment term. So it was not clickable and not showing here any. And suppose I am selecting this. So here you chosen this net 45. So this is all about payment term. Those company you chosen your term. So it will fluctuate here and it will not clickable, and we can't edit it. Okay. So if you did not added any of payment term in your company, then it will not show here. Okay, so that's it about from where you get this payment term. Now let's move forward to how to add a new payment term in your list. So let's move here, and you have this option, create a new. Just click on it and simply add name, number of days. That's it. No need to add anything else. Only you have to add two things here. Suppose I am writing here. Okay, I'm just adding here for your reference, and here I'm adding the number of days and create. See this. Now here you have only one option of delete your payment term. So simply you have to delete from here and it will be deleted. That's it. This is very simple step. So I already shown you from where you get this payment term option, right? And now I shown you how to add a new payment term, right? So, and here is option for export. So that's it about this payment term. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you did not watch any of these learning series, then I will suggest you go and first watch all the learning series videos. I already covered each and every topics in my video. So if you have any doubt or any queries related to these any topics, please do comment. Okay, and please do like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.